And the race is on. Uptown Girl fast to begin, rushing up Adonis. Halo Dancer in between runners alongside is entry number 6, and this one is Angelus. It's now entry number 2, Halo Dancer. Adonis being mine. Uptown Girl Danori inside. Adonis by a neck. Halo Dancer is running by Drell. And racing in third, being mine. Moving up Danori inside is Uptown Girl. Adonis by a neck. Halo Dancer is running by Drell. Uptown Girl running in third by about 3 lengths as they race the final corner. Adonis by half a length, and Danori inside Halo Dancer. Adonis this time by about 3 lengths. Halo Dancer in second. Uptown Girl running in third and nearing the finish line. Adonis by about 6, and finally Adonis, Halo Dancer, Angelus, Uptown Girl, number 5, Lock and Key, Be Mine.
Okay, 42615 ang ating